boy Vijay right here on the red carpet for comedy and lifestyle with MC Papi. When you say comedy, lifestyle.
And we are outside for the lifestyle king, MC Papi.
MC Papi is the king of lifestyle.
MC Papi is the actual senior man.
I think that's the reason why I'm here.
Other people do comedy show, Papi, they are lifestyle.
I know Papi is a fantastic guy, so I'm expecting a great show here today.
I'm looking forward to MC Papi.
Yeah.
My guy.
He's a man with swag, so I'm expecting something extraordinary today.
Tonight, my expectation is on the high. I'm expecting laughter.
I came here for fun, so I'm expected to have a lot of fun as I can.
Just here to have a good laugh, have a good time. Just here to have fun and to support MC Papi.
All this app, any smart now, you have to bring app from boat to in-drive, from in-drive to different app. Not be every state that they use all those apps. Are they for Kenya, for Kogi State? Other boats are put about 78. They carry me go native to house. Kogi State, very funny state. Now Kogi State, I go dinner. I go MC dinner. Kogi State. They give us small juju as souvenir. One woman, they complain, say the juju too small, you know, if you gala people. And they don't get problem for you now. Not be last week, native doctor, they sick. Now medical doctor save them. Now collabo, this life now collabo. What did they make native doctor, they get infection? What did they do? What did native doctor walk?
Funny Bruno come here, they tell you now about Kogi State. See who know grow for Kogi. Bloody civilian. Now we will go Kogi, we go tell you. Now Kogi State 2 weeks ago, I see where EFCC go arrest one DPO. Why? The DPO collect loan from Pampe, use police station as collateral. Now Kogi State, I travel one day with one nursing mother inside bus. She the breastfeed picking of that kind 3 to 4 months. I know say those kind children, they know they feel whole breast with their hand. As our motor just approach one place where then they call Okenewe Road no good. The moment our motor begin jump from one pothole to another, now so the breast come up from the picking mouth, enter my mouth. Man, no like the milk sweet. Oh.
Somebody was asking me why I started wearing big trousers. I started wearing big trousers to cover my shame. Are you getting me? I went to speak somewhere to young people and I wore tight trousers. So my leg was just showing the shape of my leg. I noticed that the children I was talking to, they were laughing at me. So I now asked them, why were they laughing at me? They said, Uncle, I hope if we tell you, you will not beat us. I said, no. I said, why were you laughing? They said, Uncle, as you were talking, we were looking at your leg. I said, what happened to my leg? They said, my leg is not straight, that my leg is ball leg. So I didn't know what to do to them. But I told them, I don't blame you children. Because in your time, you people wore what they call pampers. In our time, we wore what they call napkin. Napkin is like towel. There is no human being that uses napkin that walks straight. This is how all of us walk. We all have ball leg in our time. Who wanted to wear a strong leg?
Okay, just a so. We go this one for Papi. All of us, we were outside. Oh, you saw for go snap post. We saw go snap post. Facebook go shock. Then what? Everything when I was weird, it not cost. Material not buying the tailor Tiffany. I'll lay trade now pay for. Life is not too cost. Now you want to wear better things, we cost. Who want help me? Make it help me. Oh. Now, today, Monday, next week, give all the beg and last day. So.
Abuja, where did they play?
But now you in my mind, I swear that now you in my mind. I swear I know that I think about you all the time.
Please, everyone in this hall, help me appreciate my headline sponsor, Skywise Group. Mona clap for Skywise. Dr. Elvis, can you stand up and see you? Humble billionaire. With all you have, you're supposed to be proud. Stand up and see you. People will not get issue. I know what I see for their hand when I go set table. Who are these two white people that came with you? You brought them to lie to them that you sponsored this show. Madam Uju, can you stand up? Let us see. You gave me 3 million. Who goes you? Stand up. Stand up. Make them see what you carry for waste. Chee. Yeah. DJ, wait. You know what I say? You stand up so that your ex go to shame. Say you do well. Yes, that your ex may see and say you buy table because your ex no buy table. You buy.
Mc Papi is someone who doesn't give up. Like, push bounce, you know.
You can see how amazing the show is, the packaging and everything.
Yeah, excellent.
Papi is someone that everything he does, there's uniqueness in everything he does. So this show tonight, he has done something different from the usual comedy show.
And one funny thing about Papi is my schoolmate from University of Maiduguri.
Yes.
We got carried over together, we repeated together.
Well done, Mc Papi. Thanks for inviting me to perform in your event. I'm so sorry I missed last year, and I'm here this year. And I just hope that your brand will continue to grow and become an household name.
Yes.
For me to you.
Yes.
MC Papi! See the way you introduce me. It's just clear say you not plan to pay me. Which one be she has traveled far and wide? She's my sister. He can't even bring my husband enter say they work for Stanbic. Who asked you? My brother, you go still pay me, oh. You know, yeah? Head
Nah, see who go pay you there. PM
Head
go pay
born,
you.
no fish for stew. Bestie the hustle. Now this year, 2024, the richest man in Africa, Aliko Dangote, cried this year.
Lifestyle Papi.
If Aliko can cry, who am I?
I need my here. Kwenu. Nigeria kwenu. Esa kwenu. Ado kwenu. Kopiano. Carry on. DJ wait. I think say you don't retire for this work.
Papi.
Eh?
Retire when you see 700,000. I say, oh, you think that's your father? They shout, even when they talk, Napoli, they look for.
Conqueror the champion, the lion is here.
DJ Olam. Skywise, this is why I need to give my father this money. I don't want to see him for Magic City this night. Because this is my father. Yesterday I can't go Magic City. I said, I want me to just go see Abuja nightlife. As we enter, I see strip. I say, what's this? I said, Daddy, calm down. We will soon leave here. Sit and let me go and peace. Before I come back for toilet, 2 strippers there on top of my father.
I not tell you what happened that time when you did toilet. If you see the way your father they slam yash. And now that I know say this is your father. But
my father.
You took it from him.
My father turned the fight. You the man.
Now this one they call beef song. Beef. Normally for Yankee as you shake up for shoot you. Normally, now what is supposed to happen now? Drop them.
EFCC they give bed, DSS they give food. I don't survive ground zero. What can you do to me?
Wait. That's why they say who to fear pass. Now who don't survive ground zero. Very dark man. Hello.
You know, say, very dark man, na my guy. But as I see say the right name, now wrong. Come on near very dark man. Before they put my name for gay. And imagine say they call say a very dark man. They sex me. With this short hand, how I go use rejector. Now as you hold this hand, or you hold the right hand, I go feel fighter with this one.
Just seeing you here, I'm already excited because I know you're going to kill it. You are fast, rising, everybody's already...
Baba, I do go believe me.
I know. Don't worry, I know. I put my money on you. Sure bet.
Until I kill myself, kill one person where win talent hunt. Una no go help us we get talent. Which talent they want use? This country, any talent they want. Papi gather us here, carry cigar. If Papa they watch and smoke cigar for the first time. Where's your father? Is the irresponsible father? My father go watch me carry cigar. Am I mad? Where the father? No be mate, be president. Papi supposed to be Sheyi Tinubu. Look at what you and your father, they disgrace on yourself. They perform for Skywise, Sheyi voted then. On our family, nothing there. This papi too get for mouth. Last year he carry him mama. This year papa. Next year he go carry one widow for their family. It's just last. You be fool, oh. Guy, see show where we come since yesterday.
Your father.
My father no ho. If not be my father, we no funny. All of us for the do comedies now. For the perform, they perform. See time where they call me. Young boy like me, when old people supposed to sleep, are you people supposed to be outside? No people now mates keep us for this condition. Every smart thing they will say, what an elder see sitting down. Waiting elder see what we will never see. Since 7 years when I graduate from school, even for church, they know they take workers again. Everywhere don't fool. See, Belumi, now lawyer, now politician, now pastor, they manage Moses Bliss. Only him, oh. Skywise, they get Babi Saloon, they sell car, they fight with Tonto DK, everything.
Hey, see you are the one for me. You are the one for me. See you are the one for me.
Thank you, thank you.
When I say MC, you say Papi.
Bust that jam,
MC.
bro. Papi.
When I say MC, you say Papi. MC. Everybody say, hey, everybody run. Everybody scatter. Skills sit don't catch fire. Girls sit don't start to Maya. Then they call me Obio. Like my name not Davido. Cause they say you're me for TV and I did for radio. I don't pay my dues, yo. You can keep the changing, yo. Tell the people what they owe me, make them pay my money. Bang, good, bang. Sing. When they lie, Jojo do Vega. What's up? Let's go.
This show to me. Thank you to all my sponsors. See you next year.